The makharij of Jeem is mid of the tongue and its opposite palate. Mostly we read mistakenly from tip of tongue, which is easy way. This looks little bit difficult, but in beginning, inshallah, if we keep practicing, it will be easier and we will be used to with it. I want to share with you one thing that in 29 alphabet, there's 17 letters sound similar, not actually same, because they are different letters. They should have different sounds. But because of the lack of the knowledge and not good practice and no knowledge, we read mistakenly similar. There are 17 in numbers. And if we read any letter instead of a correct letter, it will be changed a letter with another letter. Sometimes meanings will be changed. And sometimes meanings even will be opposite. Instead of getting reverse, we are getting sins because the meanings are becoming opposite. For example, the word is with a bold qaf with two dots, qalb, which means heart. If we read with a light thin kaf, kalb, it becomes dog. The very famous surah, Surah Al-Ikhlas, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, with bold qaf, it means say, He is Allah, He is one. But if we read Kul huwa Allahu ahad, it means eat. He is Allah, He is one. So this is what is the differences. Okay, so that kind of mistake, because of those mistake, meaning will be changed, and that is haram for the listener and reciter both. This kind of mistake called lahne jali, which means big or major mistakes, and other kinds of mistakes which are similar, and because of them meaning will be never changed, but there is a possibility that on the day of the judgment Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can ask why you didn't pay your full attention, why you didn't try to beautify the letters. So these kind of mistakes called lahne khafi. Lahan means mistake, khafi means minor, little mistakes. So I think Jeem is one of the minor mistake. If we read Jeem, that is a letter comes from tip of tongue, it's Pakistani letter, which is Urdu letter, Jeem, from tip of tongue, sounds different, Jeem, and it becomes hums in it, breath in it. But reading Jeem from mid of the tongue is opposite palate, which is correct letter and will be easier. Rules are made for ease. So all the lahne jali and lahne khafi I have discussed with you because of the Jeem. Try to read Jeem from mid of the tongue and it's the opposite palate. Jeem. And to show you, control the tip of the tongue. I'm putting my the finger on the tip of the tongue, and you can hear and see. I still can read Jeem because Jeem coming from the mid of the tongue, not tip of the tongue. Ye, ye. That is proof. Let's go to the next letter. Next letter is Ha. It's called throat letter because it comes from throat. Basically, there is 5 Makharij. Makharij is plural word of the Makharij. There are 5 Makharij. And first Makharij is throat. Second Makharij is lips. Third is tongue. And fourth is emptiness of the mouth. And fifth one is nose. Throat in Arabic, halq. Lips in Arabic, shafatan. Tongue in Arabic, lisan. Emptiness mouth in Arabic, jawf dahan. And nose in Arabic is khayashum. These are 5 major makharij. Ha, it's called throat letter because it comes from the throat. There are 3 parts of throats. three parts of throat, and the first part of throat is bottom part of throat inside the chest. Second part of throat is mid of throat. There is Adam's apple, and top of the throat, which is attached with mouth. Each part of throat produces two letters. So that's how three parts of the throat produces six letters. There is six throat letters. Ha is one of them and comes from middle throat. Let's read it. Ha. Ha. Makharij middle throat, and it has hums with the breath. We have to start with the breath and slowly it becomes voice. Ha. Ha. Let's read next letter. Next letter name is Khaa. The makharij of Khaa is throat, so that's why it's called throat letter. Top of throat is makharij, and quality is hums because fahathahu shakhsun sakat. So with breath. And it has a green color. In this chapter, if any letter has green color, that means it has a bold sound. And the making bold sound of any letter, there's a method. We have to raise our root of the tongue. Mostly people mistakenly try to make bold sound of any letter. They make circle of their lips. They read like this. Khaa. Circle of the lips is a makharij of wow. Not khaa. Just open mouth normally and read Khaa. Just raise the root of the tongue and you can make bold sound of any letter. Open mouth normally and raise root of the tongue to make bold sound of any letter. Khaa. 2 seconds pronunciation. Next letter is Daal. The makharij of Daal is root of the upper front two teeth and tip of the tongue, same as Tha has. From tip of tongue, roots, upper teeth, there are three letters comes. Tha, Daal are two of them. It has three letters. It's in spelling, so we have to stretch more than 4 seconds. Next letter has a one dot on the top, looks like Daal in shape, and its makhraj is similar to the Tha. That means tip of tongue, tip of teeth. Dhaal. Next letter is Ra. The makhraj of Ra is Tarf lisan. Tarf is Arabic word, Tarf lisan, and lisan means tongue. Tarf lisan, the part of the tip of the tongue which is opposite of the front two teeth, are called sanaya in Arabic, sanaya ulia. Then two more rubayat, left, right, upper, up, down. Then anyab, 4 more, left, right, up, down. And then dawahik, premolar teeth. So from sanaya, sanaya ulia, and rubayat, and anyab, and dawahik, opposite of these teeth and one premolar teeth, the all part of the tip of the tongue is called tarf lisan. We have to read with the tarf lisan with its back. That means we have to roll up and its opposite palate, it will be touched. Then Ra will be red. You can see it's a bold letter because it has a green color, but it's sometimes bold and sometimes light. And the most important, its quality is takrar, means repetition. Ra, rrr, that is repetition. But we have to make it very tiny. Ra, ra. Let's go to the next letter. Next letter is totally looks like Ra, but has a dot on it, and it has a different sound and different makhraj. Its makhraj is tip of tongue between upper and bottom teeth, and slightly it touches. Most important is quality, which called safir. Some scholars say safir, safiriyah is the name of the bird, which sounds like za. And some scholar says it's just name of the whistle, and which is sounds similar to the bee who makes honey. It sounds like this: zzz, zzz, za, za.